In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp form. Now, ClickUp is an incredibly versatile productivity tool, and one of its features is the ability to create forms, which can be used for collecting data, feedback, or any other kind of information you might need from your team or clients. So, let's dive into the process and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to head over to ClickUp. For those of you not familiar, ClickUp is a productivity platform that brings tasks, docs, goals, and more into one place. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you're going to choose a space. A ClickUp space is essentially your team's high-level roadmap. It's where different projects and ideas are housed. Once you've chosen the space that you'd like the form to be associated with, look for the little plus sign. It's typically found near the top right of the space area. Clicking this plus sign will give you a list of options for creating new tasks, docs, and more. Among these options, you'll see one for form. Go ahead and click on that. Forms in ClickUp are great for collecting structured data and can be customized to fit a variety of needs. ClickUp makes it easy to drag and drop fields into your form, rearrange them, and configure them to capture precisely the information you need. When you click on Form, a set of choices should pop up. These are pre-built forms that you can use as a starting point, but if you'd rather create something from scratch to perfectly suit your specific needs, there's also an option to craft a new form entirely. Building a new form from scratch or utilizing a template is all about understanding what information you need and the best way to organize it. Forms can include a wide range of fields such as text fields, drop-down menus, radio buttons, and more. Think about the type of data you want to collect and choose the fields accordingly. It's also important to consider the user experience. Keeping the form clear and easy to fill out will improve engagement and ensure that the data you collect is accurate and useful. Once your form is designed to your liking, you can share it by simply copying the link provided by ClickUp. This can be sent directly to anyone who needs access to the form or embedded on a website or intranet if you desire wider access. So there you have it. A simple and effective way to create ClickUp forms that can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration within your team. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough helps you get the most out of ClickUp's features.